but full of interesting moments, little variation. Lots of things are happening. Again, this is section A, section B, and section C. And notice when you go back to the section C, which sounds looks a lot like section A, it's actually not the same. It's not the same bow. It's piano versus mezzo forte in the beginning. So he's actually reducing the size of bow you're supposed to be using and also changing the parts of the bow. He's very clear with the instructions which part of the bow to use when. So really be sure to go through the index and make sure you're following the instructions the right way. This is the really important moment that you don't want to do wrong. Also, those little notations that I'm putting on the bottom of the screen, they're supposed to be serving as a guide for you to kind of follow along when I'm playing, but really you need to be opening the book. Open the book, or I don't know, PDF, because this is of course out of copyright and you can download it for free on the internet. Yeah, and follow along in the book. That's probably the best thing to do. So hopefully you're doing this already, but just in case I'm mentioning that. Yeah, and of course this is going really fast. He writes 168 beats per minute, and that is quick. That's very fast. That's moving, and of course at that very fast tempo, it's difficult to be very accurate and very tidy and very clear. You know, it's easy to catch some extra sounds, some strings that you're not supposed to catch while you're playing. So just really be careful and really pay attention. Make sure everything is neat and you're not moving, you're not adding any extra sounds, not enriching the original score, so to speak. So that would be my advice. Of course, really helpful to practice this slowly and make sure you're picking up the bow. Big bow. Like so. So just as a quick little demonstration, once you learn how to do this very slowly, of course, this is first and foremost a mental process that you must work out in your mind. Your fingers, your arms will follow, especially your right arm, because that's what this is about. And you'll see this is a really fascinating process. Once you're able to figure this out in your mind, the arms will follow. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching.